Hello, welcome back, everyone, to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam, right here with you. So glad you're with us again.
You know, Sam, I was thinking about something this morning. I was reading a message from a friend who's going through a hard time, and I wanted to say something encouraging. I thought, I hope things get better for you.
That's a beautiful thing to say.
But then I started thinking, what's the difference between hope and wish? They seem so similar. I hope I get the job. I wish I could get that job. Are they the same?
That's a great question, and honestly, even some native speakers mix them up. But there is a difference, and once you understand it, you'll never confuse them again.
Today, our topic is how to use hope versus wish in English. We're going to break down the difference between these two words and teach you how to use them like a native speaker.
We'll cover the grammar, the meaning, the different situations, and lots of examples. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to say I hope and when to say I wish.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. This is like having a grammar coach who actually makes sense.
So get comfortable. Let's start with the most basic question. What's the difference between hope and wish?
The main difference is about reality. When you hope, the situation is possible. When you wish, the situation is unreal or unlikely.
Think of it this way. Hope is for the future. Wish is for imagination.
I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. That's possible. It might rain, it might not. I'm hoping for one outcome.
I wish it wouldn't rain tomorrow. This sounds like the rain is already certain or very likely. It's more of a complaint or a dream.
Let's look at more examples.
I hope I get the job. The job is possible. I'm waiting for an answer. I'm optimistic.
I wish I could get that job. This sounds like the job is impossible. Maybe I don't have the qualifications, or the job is already taken.
I hope you feel better soon. You're sick, but I believe you will recover. It's possible.
I wish you felt better. This sounds like you've been sick for a long time, and I'm expressing sadness about it. It feels more like a dream than a realistic expectation.
Now let's talk about the grammar of hope.
Hope is usually followed by a present tense for the future. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. Present tense, but future meaning.
You can also use hope with a present situation. I hope you're okay, right now.
You can also use hope with to plus verb. I hope to see you soon.
And you can use hope with that, optional. I hope that you have a good day.
Now, let's talk about the grammar of wish.
This is where it gets different. Wish uses past tense for present wishes.
I wish I had more time. Present wish, past tense, had. I don't have more time now. It's a wish.
I wish I knew the answer. I don't know the answer now. Wish plus past.
For past regrets, wish uses past perfect. I wish I had studied harder. Past perfect, had studied. I didn't study. I regret it now.
For wishes about other people's actions, we often use would. I wish you would listen to me. You don't listen. I wish you would.
Let's make a simple table in our minds.
Hope, possible future. I hope it doesn't rain. Rain is possible.
Wish, impossible or unreal present or past. I wish it would stop raining. It's already raining.
Now let's practice with some examples.
Let's do it. I'll start. I hope she calls me tonight. Possible, she might call.
I wish she would call me. She doesn't call. I'm frustrated or sad about it.
I hope I pass the test. Possible, I studied.
I wish I had studied more. I didn't study. I regret it.
I hope you enjoy the party. Possible, you're going to the party.
I hope you were here. You're not here. It's a dream.
See the difference? Hope is about possibility. Wish is about unreality.
Now let's talk about using wish to complain. This is very common.
I wish it would stop raining. It's raining. I want it to stop.
I wish they would be quieter. They're loud. I want them to be quiet.
I wish my phone would stop ringing. It's ringing. I want it to stop.
This is a very natural way to express frustration.
Now, let's talk about using wish to express regret. This is about the past.
I wish I had studied more. I didn't study. I regret it.
I wish I hadn't said that. I said it. I regret it.
I wish I had taken that job. I didn't take it. I regret it.
Notice the pattern. Wish plus past perfect. Had plus part participle. Always about the past.
Now let's talk about using hope for polite expressions. This is very common.
I hope you don't mind. Very polite way to ask for something.
I hope that's okay with you. Checking if someone agrees.
I hope to hear from you soon. Common in letters and emails.
I hope you have a nice day. A friendly goodbye.
Now, let's practice a conversation using hope and wish.
Let's do it. I'll start. So, Alex, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I hope to go hiking if the weather is nice, but I wish I had more free time. I've been so busy lately.
I know what you mean. I wish the week were shorter. I hope I can relax a little this weekend.
Do you have anything fun planned?
I hope to see a movie with some friends. I wish I can stay home and do nothing, but I haven't seen them in weeks.
That sounds nice. I hope you have a good time.
Thanks. I hope you get your hike in.
Me too. I wish the weather would cooperate. It's been so unpredictable lately.
I know. I wish it would just decide what it wants to do.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes with hope and wish.
Mistake number 1. Using wish when you should use hope. I wish it doesn't rain tomorrow. Wrong. It should be, I hope it doesn't rain.
Mistake number 2, using the wrong tense after wish. I wish I have more time. Wrong. It should be, I wish I had more time.
Mistake number 3. Using hope for impossible things. I hope I was taller. Wrong. I wish I were taller.
Mistake number 4, forgetting would in complaints. I wish it stopped raining. Wrong. I wish it would stop raining.
Mistake number 5. Using hope with past tense for regrets. I hope I studied harder. Wrong. I wish I had studied harder.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases with hope and wish.
Hope phrases. I hope so. I hope not. I hope you're right. I hope for the best. Let's hope everything goes well.
Wish phrases. I wish I knew. I wish I could help. I wish you all the best. This is actually a hope, but it's a fixed phrase. I wish things were different. If only I had known, same meaning as wish.
Now let's talk about the expression, I wish you all the best. This is interesting. It sounds like wish, but it's actually a hope. It means, I hope everything goes well for you.
That's right. Some fixed expressions use wish like a hope. I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you success. These are hopes, not unreal situations.
So be careful. In those cases, wish is like hope, but in most cases they're different.
Now, let's practice with some fill-in-the-blank exercises. I'll say a sentence and you choose hope or wish.
Okay.
I could speak 5 languages.
Wish, because it's not true now. I wish I could speak 5 languages.
You have a great trip.
Hope, it's possible. I hope you have a great trip.
I hadn't eaten so much.
Wish, past regret. I wish I hadn't eaten so much.
It stops raining soon.
Hope, it's possible. I hope it stops raining soon. Or if it's already raining and I'm frustrated, I wish it would stop raining.
Good point. Both can work, but the meaning changes.
Let's talk about that. If it's raining now and I want it to stop, I can say, I hope it stops raining, I believe it might, or I wish it would stop raining. I'm frustrated that it hasn't.
So the situation affects which word you choose.
Now let's bring back Maya. Maya is learning to use hope and wish correctly.
Maya has a test tomorrow. She's nervous. She says to her friend, I hope I pass the test. I studied a lot.
Her friend says, I hope so too, but I wish I had studied more. I didn't prepare at all.
Maya says, I wish you had studied with me. We could have helped each other.
I know. I wish I had more discipline. I always leave things to the last minute.
Well, I hope you do okay anyway. Maybe you'll get lucky.
I hope so. I wish I could just snap my fingers and know everything.
Don't we all? See how Maya uses hope for possibilities and wish for things that aren't true?
Now let's talk about how to express sympathy with wish. This is very kind.
When someone is going through something hard, you can say, I wish things were different for you, or I wish I could help.
I'm sorry you're going through this. I wish there was something I could do.
This expresses that you care, even if you can't change the situation.
Now let's talk about how to express hope for others. This is also very kind.
I hope things get better for you soon. I hope you feel better. I hope everything works out.
These are encouraging. They show that you believe in a positive outcome.
So hope is optimistic. Wish can be more about regret or imagination.
Now let's practice a conversation about regrets.
You know, Sam, I wish I had learned another language when I was younger.
Me too. I wish my school had offered more language classes. We only had French, and I didn't take it seriously.
I wish I had traveled more before I started working.
Same. I wish I had taken a gap year. I went straight to university and then straight to work.
I wish I had more time now, but I hope it's not too late.
It's never too late. I hope to travel more in the next few years.
I hope so too. I wish I could just take a year off and go somewhere.
Don't we all? See the pattern? Wish for past regrets, hope for future possibilities.
Now, here's your challenge for this week.
Write 3 sentences using hope and 3 sentences using wish.
For hope, think about the future. What do you hope will happen?
For wish, think about the present or past. What do you wish were different? What do you regret?
For example, I hope I get a good job next year.
Wish, I wish I had more free time. Wish, I wish I had studied harder in school.
Then come back and tell us in the comments. Share your hope and wish sentences.
We read every comment. Your sentences help other learners.
Remember, hope is for possibilities. Wish is for unreality.
Hope looks forward. Wish looks backward or imagines differently.
Both are beautiful parts of language. They let us express our desires, our dreams, and our regrets.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, keep hoping, keep wishing, and keep practicing.
And hey, before you go, if this episode helped you understand hope and wish, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these clear, helpful episodes.
Yes, please. And leave us a comment. Share one hope and one wish of yours. We'd love to read them.
We read every comment. Your hopes and wishes inspire us.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more people express their hopes and wishes in English.
Thanks again, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day.
I wish you all the best.
Bye.